Still broke in 2024? While others are making $100 a day from their rooms, you're just scrolling reels? Stop! In this video, I'll show you 3 real ways to earn $100 a day using just your phone and internet. No fake hype, no investment, just facts. Hey everyone, I'm Arcana, and listen, I've been there, staring at my bank account wondering how I'm gonna make ends meet. But then I discovered the power of the internet. Seriously, this thing is a gold mine, and the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to make it work for you. First up, freelancing. Imagine getting paid to do stuff you already know how to do. That's freelancing in a nutshell. We're talking about websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These platforms are like giant job boards connecting you with people who need your skills. And trust me, everyone has something to offer. Are you a typing ninja? Offer typing services? Good with Canva? Design logos and social media posts? Got a voice that could make a radio DJ jealous? Boom! Voiceover artist. You can even edit videos. Think about it. What are you good at? What do people always ask you for help with? Now here's the Mr. Beast-sized secret: start small. Don't be afraid to offer your services for $5 a pop. The goal is to build up your profile, get some positive reviews, and show the world you're the real deal. Once you've got a few gigs under your belt, you can bump up your prices. Trust me, people are willing to pay for quality. Now let's talk numbers. Let's say you're doing $5 gigs and you bang out 4 or 5 of those a day. That's a cool $20 to $25 right there. But here's the kicker. As you get better, faster, and more experienced, you can charge more. Before you know it, you'll be hitting that $100 a day mark, easy peasy. But Arcana, you might be thinking, I don't have any skills. First of all, don't sell yourself short. You're awesome. And second, YouTube is your new best friend. Seriously, you can learn anything on YouTube these days. Spend a couple of days, watch some tutorials, and boom, you're a pro. Alright, next up is my personal favorite content creation. This is where you get to unleash your inner superstar. Pick something you're passionate about. Gaming, cooking, makeup, whatever gets you hyped, and start creating content. You can start a killer Instagram page, drop some fire YouTube shorts, or even become the next TikTok sensation. Now I know what you're thinking, but Mr. Beast, it takes forever to build a following. And you know what? You're right, it does take time, but here's the thing. You don't need millions of followers to start making money. With just 1,000 engaged followers, you can start attracting brands like a magnet. Here's how it works. Brands are always on the lookout for cool, creative people to promote their products, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. So how do you get in on the action? Create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and make your page look professional. Think about it. Would you buy something from a page that looks like it was designed by a pigeon? Probably not. Once you've got a decent following, start reaching out to brands and offer to do shout-outs, sponsored posts, or even full-blown brand deals. And don't be afraid to negotiate. Know your worth, people. But wait, there's more. You can also make bank with affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products you love and use. And when someone buys through your unique link, you get a cut of the sale. It's like being a digital salesperson, but way cooler. Okay, let's dive deeper into the world of affiliate marketing. It's kind of like having your own online store, but without the hassle of inventory, shipping, or, dealing with customer service. Sounds pretty sweet, right? First things first, you gotta find some awesome products to promote. And lucky for you, there are tons of affiliate programs out there just begging for you to join. Amazon Associates is a classic for a reason. They've got literally everything under the sun. Digistore24 is another great option, especially for digital products and online courses. And if you're feeling fancy, you can even become a Canva Pro affiliate and earn commission by recommending their design tools. Now comes the fun part, sharing your affiliate links. Get creative. You can sprinkle them throughout your social media posts, create eye-catching graphics, or even write blog posts reviewing your favorite products. The key is to be authentic and genuine. Don't just spam your links everywhere. People can smell a sleazy salesperson a mile away. Instead, focus on providing value and recommending products you truly believe in. Let's talk numbers again. Imagine you're promoting a $50 product and your commission is a cool 20%. That's $10 in your pocket for every sale. You only need to make 10 sales a day to hit that $100 goal. And the best part is, you can scale this up like crazy. The more you promote, the more you earn. The sky's the limit. So there you have it, folks. 3 killer ways to earn $100 a day online, no investment needed. And the best part? These methods are just the tip of the iceberg. There are endless possibilities out there. You're already late, but better late than never. Choose one method, give it 30 days, and watch your life change. If this video helped, hit like, comment I'm ready, and subscribe for more simple money-making guides.